Wanna know how to fix PUBG Mobile not installing? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, there are various ways where PUBG Mobile might not be installing. The first one and the most common is storage. So make sure you have enough storage first up before installing it. Now next, if you are installing an APK or OBB, make sure to install it from an official site like Play Store so that it comes in with easiness and can install easily. So if you use any other applications or any other ways you can download it, it might not work. Disable any battery saver or background app limits. Sometimes that could also help you stop installing the game. If it fails again, you can just simply restart your device or just report it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.